Welcome, esteemed artisans and crafting enthusiasts, to the illustrious halls of IO Education. Today, we embark on a majestic odyssey where the ethereal beauty of marigold rounds is unveiled through the mystical medium of paper. Join us as we transcend the boundaries of imagination and dive headfirst into the captivating world of paper crafting. Prepare to be enraptured as we unravel the ancient secrets of crafting, passed down through generations like precious heirlooms. With a flick of the wrist and a flourish of creativity, we shall weave spells of wonder and delight, transforming humble sheets of paper into resplendent works of art. Let us begin our sacred ritual by immersing ourselves in a kaleidoscope of colors, each hue a portal to boundless creativity. Select with care from our cornucopia of colored papers, allowing your soul to resonate with the hues that speak to your inner artist. From the golden radiance of the sun to the fiery passion of twilight, let your imagination soar on wings of chromatic splendor. With deft hands and a heart brimming with passion, wield your scissors like a maestro conducting a symphony, as you delicately carve out circles from the colorful canvas before you. These circles, each a testament to your craftsmanship, shall serve as the building blocks of our majestic marigold rounds, destined to captivate all who behold their splendor. Now, let us infuse our creations with depth and dimension, breathing life into each petal with a gentle fold. With practiced finesse, fold each circle in half, coaxing forth the graceful curvature that will imbue our marigold rounds with an ethereal elegance. Embrace the artistry of detail as you carve intricate slits along the curved edge of each folded circle, bestowing upon them the delicate texture of nature's own handiwork. Like whispers in the wind, these subtle nuances will infuse our creations with a sense of authenticity and grace. With a flourish worthy of a master artisan, unfurl each folded circle to reveal the blossoming beauty within. Behold as the petals dance and sway with a grace that defies earthly constraints, their radiant allure a testament to the magic of crafting. Now, let us orchestrate a symphony of color and form, as we arrange our paper petals in a mesmerizing circular pattern. With each petal a brush stroke on the canvas of our imagination, we shall weave a tapestry of unparalleled beauty, each hue and contour a testament to the power of creativity unleashed. With the precision of a sculptor shaping marble, unite the petals at their base with a gentle touch of glue, forging bonds that will endure the test of time. As each petal finds its place in the grand design, feel your heart swell with pride at the masterpiece taking shape before your eyes. But lo, our journey is not yet complete, for no marigold round is truly whole without its radiant center. With a deft hand and a keen eye for detail, fashion a circular masterpiece from contrasting paper and affix it to the heart of our creation. Like the sun at the zenith of the sky, this vibrant center shall infuse our marigold round with warmth and vitality, a beacon of hope and joy in a world of endless possibilities. And so, dear friends, we stand on the threshold of greatness, our hands and hearts united in the pursuit of beauty and wonder. As we bid adieu to our crafting adventure, let us carry forth the spirit of creativity and exploration in all our endeavors. Thank you for joining us on this magical journey at IO Education, where every creation is a testament to the boundless power of the human spirit. Until we meet again, may your days be filled with joy, inspiration, and the unbridled thrill of creation. Farewell and happy crafting. And remember, the adventure doesn't stop here. Be sure to subscribe to IO Education, your gateway to a world of endless possibilities and boundless inspiration. By joining our vibrant community, you'll unlock exclusive access to future crafting adventures, tutorials, and so much more. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let the journey continue. Thank you for being a part of the IO Education family, where creativity knows no bounds and the wonders of crafting await around every corner. Until next time, happy crafting!